Hi guys, today I am going to be unboxing the Brooklyn and Bailey box from JCPenney's. This is the box where it comes from, and it's the Arizona box, and it just has. It might be a little dense, and it says Brooklyn and Bailey. So let's open it. So, opening it, you will open it like this. And there is the bag. It has these tassels on it, which are cute. This, and I will turn it around so you can see it better. So now we are opening. So right here is where everything is going to be. So this is the shirt I got the Bailey bought, and this has Stay Weird, the shirt, the earrings, the heart-shaped earrings, the dry shampoo, which I will do a review on. If you want a review on this, I will do a review. So yeah, and then makeup. So let me open it and I will show you what type of Sephora samples I got. Oh, and I got this Brooklyn and Bailey little thing. It says, I got check your bag. So I got a custom graphic tee, a mini makeup mini from Sephora inside JC, Arizona jewelry, and dry shampoo. And this just comes with the girls. So yeah, and then it comes with a coupon code. So I got a lip gloss that is like a brownish lip gloss. Moisturizer, I do need moisturizer, and I do need moisturizer when I travel. So this will be a great moisturizer for travel. And this is a contour eye pencil in and I think this is in black. I don't know. I will open it and I will put links in the description for you to go subscribe to Brooklyn and Bailey. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye guys.